Welcome to Salesforce Live Asia. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to take you through what the experience is going to be like for you. When you receive your confirmation email, you'll see a link to join and view the agenda. Everything that you need for the event is available here on this one page, including all of the sessions that you're going to be able to view. You can search all of these sessions right from here at the top. For example, if I was looking for a session for a company called Prudential, I could just type Pru. And here I see a session about Prudential. Clicking through, I can see all the details about this session. And when it's ready to go live, I can join right from here. All of this is also available in a great mobile application. The great thing about the mobile application is I've always got it on hand. To access the mobile application, enter your email address and your ticket number, which is in the email that you've been provided. Once you're in, you can see all of the information here, just like the website, including the agenda and all of the speakers that are speaking today and the sessions that they're going to be speaking at. It's a really useful application. One thing that I really like about the mobile application is how I can make the agenda my own. If you look up in the right here, you can see the filters, and you can filter by the role that you're in. For example, are you in sales, service, or marketing, or IT? You can also search by your industry or by the product that you're most interested in. If you do this, then the agenda will be filtered just to you, and you can find the best ways to take advantage of the over 70 sessions and many virtual rooms that are available to you on the day. Once you're ready to join a session, you just click straight through to the session and you'll see to join here. It's that easy. So let's take a look at this same experience on the desktop. On the day of the event, return to the same page and you'll see all of the sessions that are coming up below here. 2 minutes before the session begins, you'll see it change from broadcast to join now. At that point, all of the live sessions will appear here at the top of the page. When you join the expo rooms, you'll see an experience that allows you to participate and hear from other trailblazers and go deep on a lot of our products. You'll see an experience that looks a lot like this. And all of our team are waiting to welcome you here. We're looking forward to seeing you on the day at Salesforce Live Asia. Make sure you install the mobile app, build your agenda, and get connected on the day and engage with us.